wonderful and amazing St. Patrick's Day fairy. So before the video starts, I want to let you know that comic bird, she messed up a little bit. So you only need one piece of green construction paper and you need to find something circular. Bye guys! Hey guys, it's Comet Burst back at you with another craft video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a St. Patrick's Day candy holder. So what you're going to need is a ruler, scissors, tape, toilet paper roll, a piece of yellow construction paper, 2 pieces of green construction paper, and 1 piece of black construction paper. So what you're gonna want to do is put your toilet paper roll down, and then you're gonna want to mark how tall it is with just a little line, and then you're gonna want to wrap it with your green piece of construction paper to see how far around it goes. And then you're going to want to mark there too. And then you're going to take your ruler and your scissors to cut some straight lines. Alright, and after you have this piece of paper cut out, you're going to want to tape it on. Alright, next you're going to want to find something round, like a container lid or something, and you're just going to want to trace it. After you've drawn your circle, you're going to want to cut it out. After you have it cut out, you're going to want to tape it on. After you've taped it on like so, you're going to want to make the black belt to go around. Now, depending on how long you want it, is up to you, but I'm going to make mine 1 inch long. After doing that, you're going to want to cut it out like so. After you've cut your black strip, you're going to want to put that aside. Same with your hat. So, what you're going to want to do next is make the buckle. So this is the easiest way to do it. First, you're going to want to mark it the same amount you did for your strip, which was, for me, 1 inch. Then you're going to want to cut out a square, that size. Next, with your tiny square, you're going to want to cut the inside of it out so you can have a cute little St. Patrick's Day buckle. And then you can tape it together later. Like so. After you've taped your belt buckle together, you're going to want to take a piece of tape and tape it on to the belt. After you have taped it on, you're going to want to wrap it around your thing. And if it's too long, we trim it. And there you have it, a simple and easy St. Patrick's Day DIY, which now you can store all your delicious treats in it. Bye guys!